Let's talk about marketing. Marketing is a really important and essential process in your business. In every single business, if you don't have a correct project of marketing, you are going to fail. You are not going to success. It is about getting the potential clients or your customers interested in your products or services. It's basically that. Get interest in your customers in order to obtain or to get your product or services. It involves researching, promoting, selling, and distributing your products. It's basically analyze your customers' needs. It's analyze their interests, what they want, what they need, and create the specific products or services for that purpose. Marketing has also some definitions, some important terms that we need to consider. For example, advertising. It's the placement and purchase of announcements. It's basically everything related to announce your products in television, in social media, and the radio, and etc. Those mass media that are the ones that are in contact with your clients. The audience is the number of persons that are exposed to a particular advertising. That's your audience. A brand is basically everything related to the name, the term, the design, the symbol, and all the categories of your good and services. Then the brand makes you different from your competitions. The channel of distribution is a network. It's basically from the company that creates, the manufacturer, your product to the ones that transport and the ones that sells your product. It's basically that chain, that channel, that network. The competition is the other company that offers the same product that like you. That's your competition. Obviously, every single company has their difference, but they are your competence. So we have to work in order to differentiate from them. The market demand is the total number of products or services bought by a group of people. For example, cell phones had a great demand because all people need it. That has a great demand and has a lot of people that buys those type of products. The marketing plan is a document that has the analysis of your customers, the analysis of the possible clients that you're going to have, and it has also the objectives and the marketing strategy. Everything related to sell your product and to attract customers is there in the marketing plan. There is another topic that is important in order to talk about marketing. It is called the 4 P's: product, price, promotion, and place. We have to think about these 4 elements that are key to create your marketing plan. The product is basically that, the object that is tangible or intangible that you are going to sell as a company. The price is how much are your customers going to pay for that specific product or service. The promotion is that the advertising and how you are going to expose that advertising by social media, by television, by radio, how you're going to do it. And the place is where you are going to sell your product. It's going to be in a small store, it's going to be in a mall, or it's going to be online. How you're going to sell it. What is the place for you that choose for sell that product or for that service? For answering or creating that marketing plan that contains the 4 P's, we have to answer the specific questions related to the 4 P elements. For products or service, we have to think about what does the customer want, what they want in a product. For example, when you buy, for example, a hamburger, what are you looking for in that hamburger? What do you want, something special that you think about in that hamburger? What features does it has? What are some specific characteristics? It could be the size, it could be the color, it could be something extra. The size also. How is differentiated versus your competitors? As I said, think about how many companies sell hamburgers, how they differentiate from each other. We have to think about that. What is the price? The price, the value that you're going to pay for that product. It's affordable. People can buy that product, or it's something that is really expensive and only one sector of the people is going to buy it. Think about that. Is it enough to gain profits? So obviously, if you start a business, you're going to gain money if you want to gain profits. So think about the price of your product in order to obtain that thing. and the prices according to your competitors is lower or is higher than your competitors. The place where are you looking your customers, your product is going to be in Metro Central, for example, is going to be in a small store, or you are going to sell it online using Amazon, for example. Where, what kind of place are you going to choose? The distribution channel, how can you access the right distribution channel? For example, you have people that is going to transport your product, or you are going to give that product to the house of your clients. How are you going to do it? How your competitors do? They have online market or they have a physical market? And the promotion, where and when can you get marketing messaging across your target market? When are you going to promote, for example, a commercial? Are you doing at night? Are you doing it by using a channel, for example? Are you using it some specific commercials using Facebook or YouTube? How are you going to do it, and when are you going to do it? When is the best time to promote, like the season? For example, if you are selling clothes, for example, any type of clothes, what is the best way to do it? If you are offering, for example, like summer clothes, shorts, for example, when is the best season to sell it? Is in the fall, is autumn, spring, or summer? When is the correct way to gain more profits? How do your competitors do their promotion? You have to think about that. Have to analyze the commercial that they create. Have to analyze their marketing and the advertising projects that they have in order for you to do it better. Always think about your competitions as a good way for you to grow up in a business. So you have to answer all those questions related to product, price, place, and promotions in order to create a specific marketing plan that allows you to gain and attract customers to buy and acquire your services.